Hello everyone. Today I received an order that requires 3D work. So this is the pattern sample that the customer sent me. It's to carefully sew it so that the sleeve curves naturally like this. I discussed with the customer that if we carefully maintain the sleeve in this shape, then when it's finally sewn, it will never curve outward like this. And another important thing, when the customer wants to cut this sleeve into 3 separate pieces like this, starting from the original basic pattern of the sleeve, their primary purpose is that they also want to make the sleeve curved instead of keeping it straight like this. If we were to sew this straight sleeve, then the overall shape of the sleeve will be completely straight from the shoulder point down, and it will never have that natural curve. So I discussed with the customer, and the customer also wanted me to give advice on how to do it. So I actually did it, and I will make a detailed video clip very soon, and I will share much more with you all. In this specific part, I'm just sharing the basic approach, so that you all will clearly know that if a sleeve is straight like this one, when we sew it on, it will never be able to curve properly. And in the Gerber software, there is a command that allows us to curve it very easily. And I will share with you the approach, the method to do it. So in the Gerber software, there is a command and we will use it right away. After entering the command, we will click on the lines to change their values, okay? For example, this is the front sleeve cap where we'll make changes. Notice how the sleeve is now curved. And this is the part, the sleeve seam. We can see the sleeve curves immediately. And if you want it to curve even more, you can adjust on the back sleeve cap. So you can imagine that if we sew this small sleeve cap to the larger sleeve cap, then the front part here will curve inward. Here, this exact point will curve inward. And the back part here, it curves outward like this, right? Additionally, we also need to use this command and to make it curve outward. This is the back sleeve cap. We'll click on it and change this value. So you can imagine if we carefully sew this sleeve cap here, and the front sleeve cap is sewn here, then the overall shape of our sleeve will naturally curve forward as a result. This spot right here is the elbow area, and it will bulge outward. Here, take a look. Right here, this is the elbow area, and it will bulge out like this. And that is exactly what the customer wants. Well, when they want the sleeve to be separated into 3 sections and to have a curve, then that is exactly the task we must perform. That's the approach, and that's the method I'm advising you to follow. If you want to know which commands to use to achieve this and how to do it, you can check out the course linked below this video. And if you need advice about the course, you can message me on Zalo or through the PDS Academy fan page or on my Facebook page, Jin Dui Kwong. Hello everyone, and see you in the next videos.